Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today, we are diving into a detailed comparison between the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro and the L7C Pro KIT. Both of these gimbals are designed to enhance your video recording experience, but they come with different features and price points. Whether you're a vlogger, TikToker, or just someone who loves capturing moments, this comparison will help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro is priced at $79, making it a more budget-friendly option for those looking to invest in a gimbal. On the other hand, the L7C Pro KIT is priced at $99. While it is slightly more expensive, it offers additional features that may justify the higher cost for some users. One of the standout features of the L7C Pro KIT is its detachable AI tracker, which allows for more dynamic filming options, especially for solo creators. In contrast, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro does not include this feature, which may limit its versatility in certain shooting scenarios. Both gimbals offer stabilization technology, but the L7C Pro KIT boasts upgraded 9.0 anti-shake technology that promises even smoother footage. The JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro features standard 3-axis stabilization, which is effective but may not match the advanced capabilities of its competitor. In conclusion, both the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro and the L7C Pro KIT have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for a more affordable option with solid features, the JCROBOT might be the way to go. However, if you want advanced tracking capabilities and enhanced stabilization, the L7C Pro KIT could be worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like